Alright, we got into the park, so yeah. All the roller coasters are testing, and they're about to open at 11. And yeah, the park is open, but they actually open at 11. Viper backwards. I cannot wait for Viper backwards. Because I'm afraid. Yeah, I'm just kidding. I like roller coasters the best. Okay, so, yeah, as you can see over there, there's a lightning sphere sometimes. 6 haunted houses. I'm not ready for it, especially this. Okay, yeah. God, there's rain over there? Which is, I'm trying to tell you. I hate it when there is rain over there, but I'm lucky there's no more rain until in the afternoon. So, I don't know where are we going first, because, yeah, the rides aren't open, well, except the carousel. The gates are about, like, open a little couple more minutes, so, yeah. And, I think we gonna get that flash pass since, yeah, I wanna ride roller coaster for fun. Boom.